All right, this is a help video for the Module 3 reality check in Math 990. So we're looking at slope and the average rate of change. So using the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Something really important to notice is this formula has the x1 and y1 are 1 point together, the x coordinate of the point and the y coordinate, and then the x2, y2 are the second point, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So here you're going to compare the median price of a home this year to the median price of a home 5 years ago, which I think is super interesting just because we've been watching house prices just go crazy. So you can look at this website and find a current price of a median home. And then, anyway, I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but just follow the directions here. You can use this website and fill in this information, okay? Next, you'll be able to make two ordered pairs. The x values will be the years. Make sure you do the years for the x values. And then the y values are the price of that. And then the y values are the median prices of the home. Make sure you get the year together with the price of the home that goes with it. Does that make sense? So if you found a price of a home in 2008, make sure you have 2008 there and then that price lined up. Okay, next you'll calculate the slope. So again, just be careful you're getting your correct x and y together and then that you're substituting them in correctly. Remember to include units for full points. On the graph, you can draw your points here, connect the points, and then you're going to analyze what happened, okay? Anyway, once you get started, it kind of walks you through each step. It can be a little bit intimidating at first, but hopefully this video helps you. And something else that's great is once you submit the assignment, I will grade it and leave feedback, and you will have the chance to resubmit. Let me know if you're struggling or confused.